Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing empties. What empty means is I went through some products throughout the months, and these are the products that I might purchase again. And these are it might be some products that I won't purchase anymore. So that's what empty is. Let's start. I'm gonna start with the newest vitamin that I've been using. It's Halo Beauty. They just came out with it last month. I am almost done with this vitamin. It's like 2 left, and I have to say we shared this bottle. Matina and I, we shared it, so we used it only for like 15 days each, because the whole like bottle has, I believe, 60 capsules, which lasts you a month. So you need to take 2 per day. It's great for skin, nails, and hair. And let me tell you this, I forgot to ask Mateen, but I personally felt the difference. Like my overall skin was very moisture, and my nails got a little bit stronger. You see your little fine lines around your eyes are gonna get erased, which is great. And for me, for the hair, I do keratin, and I take care of my hair pretty well. Like if you see today, I'm a big mess probably because I took shower and I didn't even blow dry my hair. I didn't do anything because I was running out of time. But I don't have a lot of problem with my hair. But how I notice this is working well for me is I run out of it almost like a week ago, and after 5 days I notice around this area, even my T-zone, even though it's very, you know, oily, and it's my greasy area, but I felt that my laugh line or my smile line and my T-zone got drier, my overall face skin got drier, my hands got drier. So I think it is working. This is again called Halo Beauty. Tati, I've been watching Tati on YouTube. She's the OG of YouTube. I've been watching her for the past 10 years or so. And she came out with it last month. And I know a lot of people tried it out and they really loved it. I was just dumb to not take a before picture and after picture when I'm using it to blog about it, but I might do it because I am actually ordering 3 of this tonight to have enough of them, because I believe if you order 3 or more, you have like free shipping. You don't need to pay for shipping. Yes, that's it for Halo Beauty. I will keep you guys updated when I get my new bottle, and throughout the bottle I might do a blog or vlog even about it, and we'll see how it works out. So definitely this is the yes for me. Jo Malone has been one of my most favorite perfume for the past 7 years. I don't wear anything else besides Jo Malone. I have other perfumes that I never spray. So this is a blackberry and bay scent. I like layering them together. What I do is I buy different scents and I layer the perfumes together, or my body lotion is a different scent. I like orange blossom, the honey one, and I mix it with the blackberry, and it just smells so fresh, floral. I'm not a big fan of sweet and very strong scents. I like floral and cool scents, and this one stays on the body very well. Okay, next I want to talk about all makeup. So I don't have that many makeup that I run out of because I keep buying makeup, so there is no way I'm gonna run out of them very fast. One of the products that I do run out of is foundation, concealer, my mascaras, my lipstick, comparing to palettes, eyeshadows, blushes, and all the other stuff. So this is my holy grail foundation. Now I appreciate it even more because I'm done with it. It's Kat 1D. It's the tattoo foundation. I call it the tattoo foundation, but it's not. It's even covering the tattoo. It's called Luck It, and I wear medium 54 cool. I'm done with it. It gives you that dewy, natural, but full coverage look. So it's not very cakey or shellacky on your face. It's very dewy, lightweight, natural look, but it covers all the problems. What I like to do mostly with my full coverage foundation, probably you guys notice it on my Insta stories or even on my channel, sometimes I say it, I like mixing them with face oil. And why I do that, it's just, it makes the coverage stay full but very lightweight. You know, it takes away all that masky looking from the foundation and makes the foundation looks even more glowy and dewy. So this is the must, and I'm the VIB, Sephora VIB, it's coming up. If you didn't check out my Sephora VIB last time, you go check it out. I talk about many products in that video, and now it's coming up again, I believe on April 20th. So if you are a VIB or insider, so the insiders get 10% off and the VIB gets 20% off. So this is gonna be in my basket to buy it again for sure. Mascaras, talking about mascaras, I always use a primer. I'm just addicted to it. I buy these Lancome primers. Again, I talk about in my Sephora video before, the Sephora haul, that how much I love this extra large booster primer. It works with any mascara. You can wear a drugstore mascara, high-end mascara, any mascara, I put it underneath and it works well. Again, there are other brands that they do the same, like Chanel and Dior. I like those too, but Lancome, it's been the OG, so I keep buying the Lancome one. They have it everywhere, they sell it everywhere. It's like 29 bucks. It lasts me, usually I wear mascara almost every day, or I have to say whenever I have makeup on. So it lasts me like 3 to 4 months. This is a YSL highlighter pen. It's called like a touch-up pen. So the person who sold this to me, they said it's a concealer, and it wasn't, the coverage wasn't enough for me to cover my red pigment under my eyes. So I used it as a highlighter. I liked it, but if you don't have any if you don't have any like dark circle or red pigment, definitely this is a great thing to use for concealer. However, I believe it's $60, so I don't know if you want to wear a $60 concealer or highlighter. So even though I love it so much, I will not purchase it again, because girl, I don't have $60 to spend on a pen highlighter. So this was the pass for me. I'll take it as a gift though. I use it, but I won't buy it again. Speaking of YSL, they have the best lipstick and lip gloss. I'm obsessed with them. I've been using them for the past 8 years. I remember even when I wasn't 20 years old, I used to work very, very part-time at Chico's back in the day. Teenager at Chico's, like why? But long story short, I would get paid and save up my money, go crazy to Neiman's and Nordstrom and buy like different shades of the lipstick and lip gloss. This is, though, it's the OG, like the most favorite lip gloss on the planet. I hope they still make it because it's been a while. The color is Golden Gloss, has golden shimmer glitters in the lip gloss. Very nude. Let me see if I can swatch. I'm literally scraping it. Might not even show because not so much left, but it's just very pretty to even wear it alone. It gives you a little tint of nude to your lips, or you can line your lips, wear it over your lipstick, wear it over your lined lips. This is the yes, yes, yes. Definitely will buy it again. Again, the color is Golden Gloss number 39. So the next one, it's a liquid lipstick, but it's not a lipstick. It has like a glossy, dewy finish. It's this Dior one. It's just the best shade ever. I'm not a super pink person, even though I'm wearing all pink today. But I'm getting into pink, actually. I used to not like pink a lot, just only blush colors, and I'm still obsessed with blush and rose gold combo. But this pink is just so subtle. You can again wear it over lipstick or wear it alone. I usually wear it alone. It keeps your lips very moisture, and it's the shade 389, and it's a liquid lipstick, and this is it. All right, that was it for the makeup. Moving on to hair, I have only one product. I always use Moroccan oil products for my hair. I know some people are allergic to Moroccan oil. One of my friends told me her head gets very itchy when she uses the shampoo and conditioner. But this is, I use many different shampoos and conditioners, like hair mask, and nothing works as well as the Moroccan oil for me. This is the Freeze Control Spray, so it's anti-freeze. I usually wear this after I blow dry my hair. I just spray it on the ends of my hair, and or even if I don't want to blow dry my hair or iron it after a shower, I just spray it over and keeps your hair very hydrated and anti-freeze. But as you can see, I'm out. Definitely will purchase this again. All right, last but not least, all the rest of the products are for face and skincare. This is the Banish Vitamin C Spray. I love their products. This is a very small company out in California. It is vegan, no chemical, nothing. Everything is very natural ingredients. That's what I love about it. And this is their vitamin C spray. I used to spray the heck out of this, and I run out of this very quickly because it's such a refreshing, brightening skin spray that you can wear it, just spray it throughout the day to freshen up. You can just spray it before you do your, daily skincare routine or nightly skincare routine. This is a great product. One more product that I've been out for like 2 months and I'm just lazy to order it. They carry it even on Amazon. It's the Bico Clear by Jan Morini. I talked about this last year in my blog, so I will link the blog down here. You guys can read it. This is a great face lotion. It comes in a dropper. It's like a lotion serum. It's just the ingredients mostly is glycolic acid, which gets rid of any bumps. It prevents your skin to get any, pimples or little bumps. I always get them on my forehead. So whenever I use this, I have the best and smoothest skin. I don't know why I haven't purchased it yet, again, to refill it, basically get the second one, but I will definitely buy this. I think the price is around $60, $65, so it's not too cheap, but it lasts you a long time because the consistency of the product is very thick. So you just need 1 or I think 2 drops. What I do, I grab 2 drops, I warm it up between my hands, and I just dab it on my skin, and then I put my moisturizer over it. So this is a thick serum. So if you a serum lover like me, so start with your thin one, and then moving on to this, and put your moisturizer and your SPF. Speaking of SPF, guys, I cannot wear any random SPF for some reason. My pores get clogged it gets very disgusting. I get all like, you know, those whiteheads on my skin because some SPFs are very thick and strong, so it goes under my skin and pluck all my pores. One of the greatest, you know, sun protection creams that I used, it's been La Mer. I know it's a bit pricey, probably it's like $50–60, but the consistency of the product, it's very runny, so you can definitely mix it with your moisturizer. I get very greasy throughout summertime, which I wear sunscreen the most. We have to wear sunscreen all year round, I know, but here in Houston, summers are brutal. So it's very humid, I get greasy, I don't like to wear a lot of moisturizer before my makeup because I don't want to sweat it. So I just wear this under my primer and I'm set. This is one of the products that I swear by. It's great. It's been traveling with me for years. I love it. One of the reasons I haven't purchased it again, it's the price, and I'm on the hunt for a cheaper version of the sun protection that doesn't ruin my skin. But if I can find any, I will definitely repurchase this one. So if you're into luxury, you know, skincare, definitely recommend the La Mer one. All right, one more thing, you guys, you know I'm a big fan, die-hard La Mer user. I don't know how to explain it, but it can be expensive time to time to repurchase my face cream. I was thinking I should look out of the box and try out new items. So I went with Philosophy because I love their face cleanser. I talked about it in my Sephora haul. I still have it. It's been like 4 months, I guess. It lasts you a long time. I love their body wash, their lotions. So I was like, okay, why not give it a try and get the day moisturizer. And let me tell you this is heaven in bottle. Like, my skin felt moisture throughout winter, which I'm the driest, and this was amazing. Definitely will purchase it again. I'm still using the night cream. They came with the duo, like the mini, like a travel size of this and the full size of the night cream. I still have the night cream and I love it, but this one definitely will be part of my VIB purchase. Speaking of Sephora, they have the best masks ever. I used all of it. I love the sheet mask, clay mask, sleeping mask, under eye, lip mask, anything you can imagine. I don't know if it's my head or they really work, but I think they really do work. Especially the sleeping mask, I kept this box to just show you guys. Comes with the box, like in this box. It's a lot. It says just one application and it's like one-time use, but I usually share it with Mateen. This one is the Orchid one. It's anti-aging and smoothing. Just perfect when you do your skincare routine. Sometimes skip it and do a face mask, overnight face mask, and you wake up in the morning with the most smooth and plump face ever. These are the yeses. I believe this one is $8 or $5, so their masks are not that expensive. The sheet ones are $6 or $5, and the lips are $4, the under eyes are $4, and these should be $8 or $5, around that price. Last but not least, you guys know Lancome makes the best eye makeup remover. I used all the other brands. I'm not gonna say I don't like them. I tried so many different brands, drugstore, to try to save money. Nothing was like Lancome. All right, guys, this was my Empties video. This was the first one. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button down below. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.